What's the meaning of ceremoniously? Ceremoniously. Ceremoniously.
Ceremoniously. Ceremoniously. Ceremoniously means to perform an action in a formal and respectful manner, often with an emphasis on tradition or ritual. When something is done ceremoniously, it's typically a serious and solemn affair, often with a sense of gravitas that demands attention and respect. For example, a flag-raising ceremony at a military base would be conducted ceremoniously, with precision movements and attention to detail. Essentially, to do something ceremoniously is to do it with great care, attention, and dignity, often in order to honor a particular person, event, or tradition.